Good morning, you guys. Today's video is going to be all about how to throw a first birthday party from home. We all know someone who has had one of those elaborate, extravagant one-year-old birthday parties where you're thinking like, oh my gosh, they must have spent like thousands of dollars. I want to show you that you can throw a beautiful birthday party, a one-year-old approved birthday party from home, and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars. Sounds like a plan?
First thing you want to do is find a theme, and for this particular party, an age-appropriate theme. So our theme that we chose is an African safari, which is awesome because we already have a lot of decorations that can be used for this theme. When you're throwing a kids party, you have to make your guests gift bags to go. So here you can see I ordered a bunch of items to go in our custom gift bags.
My niece here. Hey Mia. Go ahead. Yeah, she's here helping me with the party. As you can see, she's picking up all the gift bags for the kids. Oh yeah, they're nice. See, this is why I love Emily, because they're always doing me.
Take the little thing. It's a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, a vibrant thing. Yeah, it's a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, a vibrant thing.
Kid party, y'all.
It's a vibrant.
Go ahead, boo. Go, go.
So the new is ready.
Go do that. Go do that. Go.
Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Shona. Happy birthday to